Hello everyone. Today in this video we will install Virtualbox and we will set up Ubuntu in our Windows 11 host. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open one of your browser and search for Virtualbox download. So go to the first link and here you will able to see different packages for different hosts, and as we know that our host is Windows, so we will click that and the download will start. So I already have downloaded it, so therefore I will cancel it. So it's in my desktop. I will simply click it to open. Click yes to start the installation process. I will follow all the default setup to install VirtualBox. So I'll click next, next, click yes. So in the meantime this setup starts, I will install Ubuntu. Look for ubuntu.com, go to download, and the latest version is 22.04. Click that. So when you click this button, and the download will automatically start, and as you can see that this is 3.4 GB, so depending on your internet speed this might take a while. I already downloaded this ISO file, so I will not download it again. So once the VirtualBox is installed, you can open it, and to start a new virtual machine, we will click new and we will give it a name, and we need to select the type and the version. In this case, our type is Linux and our version is 64-bit, so it's all right for me. So I will click next. We need to give RAM size, our memory size, and in this case I will give 6 GB. I have 16 GB of RAM, so you can give half of your memory if you are not utilizing if you are not using multiple VM at the same time. So click next, next. So now we have to give virtual hard disk size. I will give it 80 GB for now. Click create, and it has created our VM. So now we have to connect our ISO file, and for that we need to click optical drive and select our drive which is in download. So click this and open, and it's selected. By the way, if you do not see this page and instead you have a different view, so you can come to machine and tools, and you will able to see different view of your VirtualBox. So whichever view it is, you can always come to tools and select whichever you want. So as we have selected our optical drive, and we will need to make some more configuration. If we come to setting, and I would like to give it 2 processor um to make the VM bit more faster. And for the boot order, give I will move forward this optical to the top and hard disk to the second. And for the display I will increase it to maximum. In general, I would like to make it bi-directional, both of them, um, so that I can drag and drop different files and folders between my host and my VM. So this network is automatically selected net. I'm going to keep it default. Click OK, and we simply click start. So click enter to use the first option. However, if you want, you can check different option using your up and down arrow key. So click enter. Depending on your processing power of your PC, the installation might take a while. Click install Ubuntu, select your keyboard layout, continue. We'll do normal installation and click install now, continue. Select your area and click continue. So now we need to give our VM a name. I'll give it Ubuntu and I will give it a password. If you want, you can click login automatically. So whenever you want to start your VM, you don't need to log in. And if there are multiple users for your device, so it's always better to have this authentication login. So I will keep that. Click continue. And the installation process will start. And again, depending on your processing power of your PC, and this step might take a while. So all the installation has been completed, and now we need to restart our computer to use the new installation of the VM. So click restart now. Press enter. So now we need to click Ubuntu, which is our username, and we need to give the password of our machine and press enter. And there you go. Our installation of Ubuntu virtual machine has been completed. So now you can play around with this new version of Ubuntu, which is 22.04. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you do, please like and comment if you have any problem, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.